My people, hey, no be small thing oh, hey, no be small wahala. Una know the person when they call isi oluku or that fe widow. Ajepkako no mami eja uno use. Hey, God oh, Baba God. Isi oluku, you see that his stepdaughter widow born. Isi oluku dey chook hand for inside Kpekus. He dey sleep with her. No be small wahala, my people. Una say madam you tell no. Na wetin dey talk for mouth oh. Na wetin dey do. Una remember say he do one video where he say the Vivian widow no zuwa say his sister come dey use body take dey find her. Na so he go wear bra. He go come dey shake bobby for him front. Hell. My brothers and sisters, before you go come tell me say madam you know say you be mother, this video just dey watch am. When you watch am finish, I go put where isi oluku for talk say in dey sleep with him mama. You go listen with your ear, okay? Because here wey most of una ehokpa eyimi hon na una be. So before me go come dey do all these things, you go know say amegbera gi awina ne giarari owari no na gbelegbowa na be. At any time where I get isi oluku time, I dey come. If I not get it time, I go still dey do my blogging. Hey Vivian, we no gbọ́dọ̀ no do hujo ewe e widow. Orí ọ̀hán ní isi oluku oyobo nya totorine oyobo pin enwene because awenia so to you dey go work, you dey come back, you dey leave that little girl for isi oluku make dey look. Isi oluku oyobo ya nyo ọ̀hán nya pikone. Isi oluku don dey chook hand for inside the akpiko. He don dey sleep with that small pikin. Na him make am that small pikin. He no dey fit dey look isi oluku eye. Okay, my people, una know say some mother inya wazuwa begbeya. They no dey watch their pikin. They no dey listen to their pikin. Because when isi oluku don chop this small pikin, Kpekus, he go tell am say no tell mommy oh. No tell mommy. If you tell mommy, I will deal with you. Na it dey happen so. Na it make that small pikin at any time where we see am, where e be say maybe dem dey together, e go dey like the hand oga shake. E no dey fear, fit stay straight where for isi oluku dey. Because of that fear, the thing, God oh, Baba God, heaven and earth. Because of that thing, that small pikin, e no dey okay when e dey with isi oluku. Because isi oluku don put am for e brain say make you no tell mommy. The day when you go tell mommy, na that day na you go comot for this house. Una know say na so some of all this stepfather na so dem dey do. Because of say that pikin no be their own. Their this thing now, e go come dey temu when they go see that small pikin. And that pikin now, e breast don dey come out. Isi oluku don use hand take worro all the breast. E don chop the tomatoes. Small pikin wey be say oyere niya, e no go fit talk. All these people like isi oluku wey dey describe Vivian Kpekus, wey dey talk many things about other women. What did you expect? Me, I no expect anything good though from where isi oluku dey. I know wetin he go fit do. I know wetin he no go fit do. Because all these people wey be say their mouth dey run up and down, wey be say dem dey talk anyhow. Na that kind thing na dem dey do. Isi oluku no care o. Vivian no hua, no egba eya, no dowujo ewe, egege. Carry that pikin now, go control. You go see say wetin isi oluku dey do that small pikin for inside house. No be small thing o. That adafe widow, no be small thing o. E don dey totori that small pikin. E go say make e no tell you. You na you put work for head. You tell me isi oluku sit down for his house, make e dey look that pikin. E dey totori that small pikin. E dey totori ram. That small pikin no go tell you lie titi lie. Because isi oluku don put am for e brain say if you talk, na that day na you go comot. Small pikin where you wan come go, e no know anywhere to go. Vivian, when you just comot for house, isi oluku go just carry the small pikin wari like bedi. Owa Ajepkako nyaen. After all, say your bio because he brain wetin dey for isi oluku brain, you will never understand. Person wey don carry woman don go use that go dey ashi. E go stand make people dey disgwangwan in woman wey be say he wan go see like that for you for his chest. That kind of person, he can do and not do. He not consign now at all. Now he make he get problem for inside brain. As far as say not being born that widow pikin, he not consign now. Anything where be say na ho, is your look ready to chook. He make this thing, he cassava put for inside. Vivian, no who are go and carry that child now. Oh yeah. Go carry and go take us to somewhere. Is your look don they chop it tomatoes, not be nice starter. For is your look to come and say your old blood sister. Say the time when they their house, if they shake but big for ram. You go know say see your look, he don't pay where don't they chop that small picking Kpekus. You go know say don't tell where they Tori that small picking. Is your look who did you bag bon, who did you yimi, who did you who did you wear, who did you vian. Who did you van is your look egbona mi down no kiloji la one you be. You just open your eye, you got the Tori that small picking. You say make it not tell him mama. Because I say no be you born now. Because I say Vivian not they give you Kpekus again. That small picking, it don't dey your eye. It Bobby don't dey inside your eye. Is your look wajona ya dia. Inyamu work here is your look. Now make that small picking. It not go fit stand. Make it there with isi oluku. The thing go like the shame. The thing they do for body. All this picking. Now so then they do. Now isi oluku oh. Make una they run for round. That kind person. You know if you keep your picking. Say you dey con na. Okay, yeah, your boy ya figure. Okay, yeah, your boy ya figure. Will not tell mommy. If I hear her for your mouth. If I hear her. Now be the fear where that small picking get. Vivian a widow. No do who you aware. Carry your daughter. Carry her sit down. Carry a near body, tell us make it tell you where they go on when you not there. Is your look de Tori that small picking. Is your look de fear that small picking. Ohama get am away. He not go lie tell you lie because is your look don't tell and say if you talk. That picking not go talk. Even though say you carry and sit down now, he not go tell you. You go come just carry and go hospital. Make them check whether somebody don't they beg, whether somebody don't they chukan. Because it's your look there. When you there for work, you don't know what they happen. You go think say maybe as you trust yourself, you not go feed one. Now it's your look. I mean me especially when you go come to person like this. Oh, we are not what total. You go they watch all the married women. You go they watch their nyash. And their nyash big. And their breast big. You go they admire them. For inside he has for them. Now you go come tell me now Vivian say, you know say it's your look down they see your that your daughter nyash. Now you want come tell me now say you know say it's your look down they chop in tomatoes. I know say most of una wey be say una be mother. Una no dey put una eye for grant. Una no dey watch wetin dey go on. That your pikin, e no fit stand with isi oluku. The thing go dey do one kind. E go dey nervous. My people, if una go watch a video wey be say isi oluku that time wey be say I dey watch. No be today isi oluku start out. This small pikin, e dey nervous when it comes to say he wan stand with isi oluku. E no fit look e boy, e no fit look e eye because isi oluku don put that fear for that small pikin body. My brothers and sisters, if you get husband like this, abeg make your eye dey reach ground o. Make your eye dey reach ground, especially if you get pikin wey be say no be your own, because isi oluku e no care whether no be pikin. Even though say na pikin, e go still do one because na that kind person. Egbe ma very only na dem. My brothers and sisters, make I leave this video for una for here. Okay? Please love and like and share. It's your look. It's time for you. Our ancestor now they work so. You go here when women body way be say you don't come chook your head. No go now you did so. So before I finish this video, please watch the next video where I want to put so. You go here when you see your look they talk say in they sleep with him mama. And I go hear them for there. I go put them for now. Thank you for coming. God bless you. One love keep us together. Make I tell una, make una not see me finish. Say this woman not they do saga. Amega laye gianwenare, giario wa ino awaria ewa. That's why I be. I dey good though, but if you come, we go dig up. Because on any van any anta ana enya. Bye bye for now. Ah, ashawa no wo ye.